People who want to live in style should get a penthouse. If you owned a fancy apartment, it would be easy to feel like the king of the world, wouldn't it? We will show you the world's 7 most expensive penthouses. Some of the picks are in the most beautiful places and are designed and furnished to thrill customers worldwide. You won't believe your eyes when you see the list we're about to show you. Number 7. 157 Penthouse, New York, $90 million. The $90 million 157 Penthouse is the most expensive apartment ever sold in New York. It is a 1,004-foot-tall house with a beautiful design that has won over customers worldwide. It is on the 89th and 90th floors of the building. It has 6 bedrooms, a movie theater, a library, and a steam room. People who live here can also use the Park Hyatt Hotel's facilities. 157 owners can use amenities like a fully equipped gym and a huge swimming pool. This penthouse stands out because you can use the amenities of 2 homes instead of just 1. Number 6. 15 Central Park West Penthouses, New York, $88 million. In late 2011, an $88 million penthouse with 6,744 square feet was bought there. The apartment used to belong to Sandy Weil, who was the head of Citigroup. It has 10 rooms, 4 bedrooms, and a wraparound terrace of more than 2,000 square feet, and 4 bedrooms and 2 wood-burning fireplaces. Ekaterina Rybolovleva, the daughter of Russian billionaire Dmitry Rybolovlev, paid the asking price. Interestingly, the previous owner gave the whole amount to charity. Number 5. Benbow House Penthouse. This beautiful 4-bedroom penthouse, which overlooks the Thames River and costs about $13 million, is considered the biggest in London. It has 3 floors and is a total of 4,600 square feet. It is one of the most expensive penthouses in the world, and it has a garden and 2 private outdoor terraces. It also has a large dining room, a library, nice bathrooms with marble countertops, a living room with an open layout, and a wood-paneled office with a terrace. Number 4. House Number 1, The Peak, Hong Kong, $102 million. Hong Kong is home to House Number 1, The Peak. Even though it has some of the most expensive penthouses in the world, this one is outside of London, Paris, Moscow, or Manhattan. House Number 1 is in Hong Kong, and Sun Hung Kai Properties is the company that built it. This luxurious home has a jacuzzi, a rooftop terrace, a beautiful garden, and a large private pool. You'll be able to see Victoria Bay from the rooftop terrace. Number 3. Ritz Carlton Penthouse, New York, $118 million. This huge penthouse has 15,434 square feet of space inside, making it one of the biggest penthouses. If you stay here, you will also have a terrace that is 2,193 square feet. The living room has a great view of the water and a lot of natural light. The staircase looks modern, and the kitchen is big enough to cook whatever you want. Number 2. Penthouse D, 1 Hyde Park, London, $237 million. This apartment is 18,000 square feet and costs $237 million. It belongs to real estate developer Nick Candy. It has 5 bedrooms on 2 floors, every 9,000 square feet. This house has a large swimming pool, a home theater, and even a library, all of which are great features. SA's trained security guards watch over the penthouse. Number 1. Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco, $440 million. The Sky Penthouse seems to be worth the long wait. It has an amazing 33,500 square feet of living space on 5 floors, including a gym, sauna, movie theater, library, whiskey bar, and billiard room. The most impressive thing is how big it is, the infinity pool with a water slide, from which the owners can see the best views in Monaco. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click the like and bell buttons below. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.